I have merch now. It looks really cool. Link in the description. All right, guys. So for some dumb reason, Dodge does not make it simple to turn stability control off on this 2019 Dodge Charger RT. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, step one, get in the car. Step two, where's it at? Traction control. Okay. Step two, press and hold this. Okay. And then start the car. Keep holding it. While it started, I'm still holding it. I'm still holding it. There it is. So now, if I've got this right, basically I can now turn it back on. And if I press and hold it again, there it is. Now it's off. Stability control off. That's what you want to do if you're really trying to have some fun in these cars. Don't know why they do it that way, but that's okay because there is a way to do it. So that's how to do that. Now if you want to go get your car sideways, you can do it a little bit more safely. Don't recommend it in the RTs unless you got you know, a limited slip rear end, because for another reason, I don't know why, Dodge puts an open diff in these cars. I guess they don't consider them sports cars. Yeah, I was really sad to learn about that. So yeah, that's another $1,000 we're gonna have to throw at it to be able to do what we want to do with it. But you know what, that's fine. It's part of building, it's part of the process. I really would have preferred it to come with that, but it didn't. So you know, that's life. So the other way to do it is you don't have to press it and hold it and start it and do all that. I just started the car without doing that, and I press and hold, still holding, there it goes. So it's weird. I know some cars you have to do the hold it and then start it thing. Some you don't. So either way, that should work for you. And if y'all have any other questions, let me know.